What you're about to see is the very first test run of my handmade jet engine. These first clips were shot at the Instructable shop in San Francisco during the last day of my residency there. This test was done to make sure the shaft and only moving part of the engine was functioning properly. Fast forward a few months, and the jet engine was mailed back home, where I finally was able to run the first tests in my backyard. The results of this test were pretty underwhelming, but the engine did propel itself during short periods of time during testing. I found it easier to light the engine using a lighter instead of the modified stun gun ignition system. After the fuel was lit, I spun the rotor with my hand and used compressed air to help get it going. In future tests, a larger source of compressed air or some other method will need to be used to get the engine spinning faster to hopefully yield better results. Feel free to leave any ideas on how this project can be improved in the comments below. To read more about how this project was completed, click the link in the description. For more exciting projects, you can go to instructables.com/member/FozzTech, and thanks for watching.